Hello, Annie.
Hello, John.
You seem happy today.
I am feeling great.
What makes you feel so great?
I just received some money.
That sounds like fun.
It is absolutely fun.
How much money do you have?
I have $10.
What are you planning to do with it?
I want to buy a new book.
A new book sounds interesting.
It will be a science fiction book.
Do you enjoy reading science fiction?
I enjoy it very much.
I think I would like to try reading that too.
You should definitely try it sometime.
Where will you buy the book?
I will go to the big bookstore downtown.
That bookstore has a wonderful selection.
I agree, it is my favorite place.
Will you go there this afternoon?
I plan to go right after lunch.
I hope you find a great book.
Thank you for your kind wishes.
Do you have other plans for the day?
I might get an ice cream cone afterward.
That is a wonderful idea.
I think so too. It is a perfect treat.
What flavor of ice cream will you choose?
I will probably choose chocolate chip cookie dough.
That is a very sweet choice.
It is my favorite flavor.
What are you doing later today?
I am going to the park to play soccer.
Playing soccer sounds like fun.
It is a lot of fun with my friends.
Do you play soccer often?
I play almost every weekend.
That keeps you very active.
It certainly helps me stay in shape.
I admire your dedication to sports.
Thank you. I enjoy it immensely.
Would you like to come watch us play sometime?
I would really like to do that.
You are welcome to join us anytime.
I will keep that in mind.
Do you need any new soccer gear?
I could use a new pair of shin guards.
They are very important for safety.
Safety is always the primary concern.
Where do you buy your sports equipment?
I usually buy it at the local sports shop.
That shop has good quality items.
They have everything I need for soccer.
I should go there to buy a new water bottle.
They have plenty of options for bottles.
I need a big one for long games.
A big bottle is very practical.
Do you ever play other sports?
I also play a little basketball.
Basketball is a fast-paced game.
It is very energetic and exciting.
Do you watch professional sports?
I watch some professional soccer matches.
That must be very inspiring.
It gives me lots of great ideas for playing.
Do you have a favorite team?
I like the team with the blue and white uniforms.
They are very skilled players.
Their teamwork is always impressive.
What about schoolwork this week?
I have a big history project to finish.
History projects can take a lot of time.
I have been working on it all week.
I'm sure you will do an excellent job.
I hope so. I want to get a good grade.
You always put in a lot of effort.
Hard work usually pays off well.
I have a math test on Friday.
You are very good at mathematics.
I have been studying for several hours.
Reviewing your notes helps a lot.
I feel prepared for the challenging questions.
Confidence is half the battle won.
I hope to get a perfect score.
I believe you can achieve that goal.
What topic is your history project about?
It is about the ancient Roman Empire.
That is a fascinating period of time.
I learned so many interesting facts.
Did you use the library for research?
I used both the library and online resources.
Combining resources is a smart way to study.
It gave me a complete understanding.
We should plan a study session together sometime.
I would really appreciate your help.
We can review some tricky math problems.
That would be immensely helpful for me.
When would be a good time for you?
How about after school on Wednesday?
Wednesday afternoon sounds perfect.
We can meet at the library after the last bell.
The library is a great quiet spot.
I will bring my notes and textbook.
I will bring some extra practice problems.
That is very thoughtful of you.
I enjoy helping my friends learn.
I am glad we are in the same class.
Me too. Learning together is better.
I should go now before the stores close.
Have a wonderful time buying your book.
I will tell you all about it tomorrow.
I look forward to hearing about your new book.
See you later this week.
I need to get some new pencils.
I can lend you a few of mine.
That is very generous of you.
Friends always help each other out.
Are you ready for the holiday break?
I am looking forward to it immensely.
Do you have any exciting trips planned?
My family is visiting my grandparents.
That sounds like a lovely visit.
I enjoy spending time with them very much.
Will you bake cookies together?
We always bake my grandmother's special recipe.
That sounds absolutely delicious.
They're the best cookies in the whole world.
What will you do after your break?
I will focus on getting ready for the next term.
A little planning goes a long way.
Preparation makes everything much easier.
I should start organizing my papers.
Keeping things tidy helps your mind focus.
Do you use color-coded folders?
I use different colors for each subject.
That is a very smart system.
It keeps my backpack neat and organized.
My backpack always seems to be a mess.
Maybe I can help you organize yours sometime.
I would really appreciate that.
It is no trouble at all, my friend.
What is the weather supposed to be tomorrow?
It is supposed to be sunny and cool.
That sounds like perfect playing weather.
We can enjoy the park even more.
I hope it stays sunny all week.
I prefer sunny days over rainy ones.
Rainy days are good for reading indoors.
I agree. They are perfect for cozy activities.
Do you like hot chocolate?
I love hot chocolate with tiny marshmallows.
That is a classic winter drink.
It makes me feel warm and happy inside.
I think I will go make some right now.
That is a great idea for this evening.
I will see you tomorrow at school.
I will meet you near the main entrance.